It's me, Catherine. Welcome to my mini vlog. Our content for today's video is all about science and technology. So, pipili tayo ng isang product na related on the science and technology. So, ang napili kong product guys is Smart TV. So, here are some advantages of Smart TV. First is access to online content. Second, more entertainment options. Third, internet connection. Fourth, application and games. And fifth, better viewing experience. Next is the disadvantages of Smart TV. First, requires internet connection. Second, online security. Third, more expensive. Fourth, may have glitches or software problems. And fifth, requires regular updates for security and performances. Here are the two positive effects of Smart TV to our society. First, easier access to information. Second, global connection. Next is the two negative effects of Smart TV to our society. First, excessive screen time. Second, exposure to fake news.